So it has been quite the wet Sunday, and Adam, I thought at some point this rain would let up.
Yeah, right. I mean, it's just been kind of continuous throughout the day. We are going to see those delays, like you said, tomorrow morning. A lot of rain now, nothing in comparison to what we had last week as far as the snow, but there could be a few snowflakes tonight. Very little, very little as far as ice too, as thankfully a lot of the rain that's coming through is really beginning to melt that away. So as we take a look at our Cavallero Middle High School school net site in Lake Stevens, you can see the rain still coming down, all the water droplets, and you can barely tell, but you can see that a lot of the snow that was in the parking lot, it is melting. And we've had a lot of gusty winds here throughout the day with some of that too. Smith Island up to 64 miles per hour. Lopez Island coming in at 49. Friday Harbor at 47. Now, we bring up the winds because the winds are going to have more of a factor up into the mountains with the possible avalanche concern that we might have up there. But as far as what we're dealing with rainfall wise throughout the day, a ½ inch in Seattle, an inch in Bremerton, close to an inch in Quileute. As Steve was saying, it's just been raining throughout the entire day. And while it's been raining in the lowlands, it's warmed up enough for that, but it still remains snow up across the passes. So we are dealing with a lot of snow-covered roads up that way. Winter storm warning still in effect across the Olympics and the Cascades for elevations above 1,500 feet. Another foot to possibly 2 will be around. And then again, some of these higher winds that are around that have produced some of the higher gusts. We still have that high wind warning out until 4 a.m. tomorrow morning. Gusts closer to 60 miles per hour at times, generally winds around 35 to 45 miles per hour, and a little lighter with the winds getting closer to the south coast where we have a wind advisory down that way. Snow levels dropping here over the next few days before starting to climb up, so we still expect to see some areas of rain and snow for the lowlands. Up into the mountains, we're talking about snow and ice that will be across Stevens Pass and also Snoqualmie Pass. Traction tires required right now for White Pass, but snow has been flying and we've been seeing a lot of wind in those locations. 39, mostly cloudy skies, the rain coming down. Temperatures, this is important, they're above the freezing point. 37 in Bremerton, still above freezing in Everett as we have some heavier precipitation moving through, helping to draw down some of the cooler air, which you will see helping to produce maybe a few snowflakes closer to areas of Snohomish County, but that's just it. We're going to keep temperatures above freezing, and you can see closer to Hood Canal, you might see a little more of that wintry precipitation. That's up that way, farther south across the state, across Pierce County, all rain, and you can see possibly a mixture or two kind of here and there throughout the night. But tomorrow we'll see off and on rain showers up into the mountains. We're still dealing with snow, and then a better chance of that rain and snow coming through tomorrow night and heading on into Tuesday. Amounts of snow between that 1 to 2 feet across the passes in the mountains for tonight into the day tomorrow, and then possibly another foot or 2 as we go on into the middle part of the week. Here's your 7-day forecast, topping off at 39 for tomorrow, 37 heading into Tuesday. No major accumulations really expected with any of the wintry weather over the next few days, and then we warm up a little more heading into Thursday and Friday with temperatures in the 40s as we stay wet.